My book haul is here. Ugh. Oh my goodness. All right, good packaging so far. All right, so they did good packaging. It's like that, like foam stuff. I usually do bubble wrap, but this is cool too. All right, first book. It's called Since You've Been Gone. It's like a young adult book. It looks so good. And then I read about it and I was like pretty interested. So it's young girls, summertime. I think, okay, yeah. So this is where one of the girls disappears. So it's pretty exciting. So like they're best friends. One of them's more daring than the other, but then all of a sudden one of her friends disappears. And so she has to like figure out like what she's gonna do with her life and like how she's gonna still live to the fullest. So pretty excited about this one. This next one is called All the Missing Girls. So like a nice little thriller story, murder mystery. I'm pretty excited for this one. That's my jam. That's what I love. These books are in great condition. I'm really pleased with this Pango seller so far. This next one, oh, okay. This one's called The Memory of Light. It looks so interesting. I love the color, the cover. It's gorgeous. Let's see. Yeah, this one is, it could be a little triggering, maybe some self-harm stuff going on here. So excited to see what that one's about. This one is The Problem with Forever. I mean, again, the cover is like gorgeous. I love it. It definitely like captured my attention. This one is, let's see, gripping from page to page, leaves you breathless, a little haunted, wanting more. A real masterpiece. Pretty excited about this one. Again, these books are in fantastic condition. This one is called My Life Next Door. Let's see. It says one summer night, everything changed. So again, we've got like that gripping thriller. It says a summer romance in depth, beautifully written, heartwarming romance. Romance and thriller, suspense, those are all my jam. So I'm pretty excited about this, and it looks like she does have some other books. So if I like it, I will have to seek out more. We got some extra stuffing in here, keep them all good. Okay. This one is called Shutter. I mean, again, the cover looks amazing. Definitely a nice like thriller. Let's see. What do we have here for? Irresistible, eerie, intimate, a perfectly plotted dive. Nothing is private, darkest secrets, immediately engrossing. All sounds really good to me. So I'm excited about this one. And the reason for this book haul to begin with was this book that I've been hearing so much about by Karen Slaughter, Pretty Girls. I've heard this book is one of the most effed up books people have ever read, and it is truly disturbing. This one, Gillian Flynn says, Slaughter's eye for detail and truth is unmatched. I'll follow her anywhere. This other one says, extraordinary, a major achievement. Sisters, strangers, survivors. An extraordinary novel about love, loss, redemption, and revenge. But I've heard that this book is like so messed up and eerie. And so I'm very, very excited about this one. It says a suspenseful, frightening page turner, simply one of the best thrillers writers. A fearless writer, one of the boldest thriller writers working today. Hold your breath. Hell-raising thriller, major achievement. Fiction doesn't get any better than this. Pretty excited. This is really long though. I did not realize this book is almost 600 pages. Let's see. 573 pages. So this might take me a little bit. Yeah. But I've heard it's so good that people are reading it so fast anyways. Like it's only taking a few days because they can't put it down. The font is not too bad. It's not too tiny, so I'm excited. I think after I finish the current book that I'm reading, I'm gonna dive into this one first, and then I just couldn't help but buy all these extra ones because, you know, I don't have enough books on my TBR list, so we're at this. But yeah, this is definitely my next one. I can't wait to tell you all about it and all about these. If you have ever read this book before, please comment down below. I want to hear what you think. No spoilers though. I hate spoilers. But tell me, do you think it's worth reading it? Yes or no? Or is it on your TBR list? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.